Hi, Michael Phipps here, and I'm known as the Condo King of our local market area. So you've had enough with the upkeep that a traditional home requires, and it's time to downsize and buy a condominium. Buying a condominium can be an overwhelming task. Did you know that there are over 50 condominium neighborhoods in Harford County alone? Half of them are elevator, and half of them are buildings with stairs that you have to climb up into every time you go into the building. So where do you start? Look at your square footage. How much furniture do you need to bring with you? How many bedroom sets do you need to bring with you? You're not going to bring it all. It's not going to happen. All of that furniture is not going to fit into a mid-sized condo. This is a time for downsizing, eliminating, and purging. Yes, eliminate. Speaking of eliminate, are you going to need storage? What about a garage? What kind of view do you want to have? A view of the parking lot or a view of the woods behind you? The biggest question you need to ask yourself is, what is my budget? What can I afford? Bottom line is, the bigger the condo, the more you're going to spend. Do yourself a favor, give me a call, we'll sit down, and within 5 minutes, I'll be able to tell you what 3 or 4 neighborhoods will suit you best, and we'll go out and we'll look into those neighborhoods, and I guarantee you, out of one of those neighborhoods, we will eventually find a condo. So do yourself a favor, give myself a call. You'll be glad you did.